Hi guys, River here. Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be playing some foot draft simulator on Futwiz. Okay, right. These are all the leads I got selected. Whoa, loads. Yeah. I'm going for the 4-2-3-1. That's my best formation for me on the game. Yeah. Into it. Who do I get? Done. Well, I think he'll go with Edison Cavani. Probably. Oh no, I didn't know that was the wrong 4-2-3-1. No one links up. Wait, so I'm just gonna pick it randomly now. I'm just gonna go like this because I want it. I have no control of it. No links switch draft is the aim for this video. No one's got a link. Oh my god. No one's got a link. Oh my god. Got a link. Oh my god. I'll upload this video very later. But this is not the end yet. I'll probably do another video tomorrow. No one got links there. James, he links prefer, but I'm gonna go swap them on my. I'll go for whoever he is. Right, it's coming to the end of the draft. Come on, we don't have all day. Let's try that again. Okay, that worked. This Exula guy. Probably hard not to get a goalkeeper that links. Actually, so guys, there's my finished draft. 44 chemistry. No links. I deserve a round of applause. Way! Right. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all later. Goodbye. If you're still watching, let's do some packs. Wah-ha-ha. I'm so naughty. Ha-ha-ha-ha. Do you see what I did there? I just made everybody turn away. Oh yeah. No. Foreman. Good. Who am I gonna get in this pack? Please be a good one. I'm gonna. Rinaldo! Oh my god! Guys! My best pack I've ever got. That's like 3 million. 2 million, not 3 million. What a pack! What a pack! Can I get Messi? Weird words from a young man. I'm going to time myself. I've got 5 minutes. Next pack. Next pack. Yes, Rodriguez! Codeine. What a pack. I think this should be like 10 minutes long. Oh, what a... Oh, they got Neymar. Oh my god, they got Neymar, Pella, and Jonas. Oh, in a pack. Sick, boys. Sick. video. That was a good one. And I got uniform. And I got Lucy. I just got like 32 pace. Great. Bought my 73 shooting. Right, next pack. Hope this will be one of my longest videos I've ever done. I've got Dimitri. We have Dimitri. Wait. I'm gonna play it. We have Peyet song. Right, let's listen. Right, that was bit, I don't know, weird. Right, let's get back into the pack opening. Miku, Michu. Spend about 4.2 million now. Oh, got 4.2. That would be enough to buy Hullet, wouldn't it? Yeah, probably. I didn't get any more. I haven't done with it, but he only sells for 10k. I don't know how much. Oh, I've got company. Yeah. Is that transferred? Di Maria! I was like, Di Maria! Di Maria! Di Maria! Di Maria? Di Maria. Right. Next pack. I didn't get anybody. If you want a player review tomorrow on Roberto Firmino, regular card because I'm not made of coins, but I'll just do it anyway. Ow. You're doing me a... Who can I get? Oh! Oh my god, I got a Robin. Ian Blinking Robin. God, just a bit more detail. If it would load, but maybe not. Look at those stats. Focus. Yep. Oh my god, that is such a good card to get. Right, I only got Nept and I got Dan Alves. Good. Move on with the pack opening. Oh, what? J2 Contra. That's the first time I've ever got a legend. J, oh, blinking Contra. I salute you. Just look at J2 or Contra Generations. Yeah, I don't know. FIFA 14. Thought it was. But look at that pack. It's worth at least a million. Nearly 2 million coins that is worth. First ever time I've got a legend. Oh. 95 Pele. Gee, 95 Pele. I was like, I don't know who he is. Ain't got what a good player. Good. Jeez, Shoni. I didn't know that. I love this website. How does storage go? 15k. I swear you'll never see anything better than this. I swear you'll never see anything better than this. Never again. Who do I get in this pack? No one. I got them. No, I didn't get anybody. Cruz. Ronaldo. Oh my god. I got Cristiano Ronaldo. How much is that then? How much is he worth? I think he's worth like 1.7 million? 1.6. So 3.2 million. I got 3.2 million from Ronaldo. What a pack. Right. No, I'll do that for a different video. Let's continue with the pack opening. When I get to 100 packs, we'll stop. Probably be about 20 minutes on this video. Zlatan Ibrahimovic! Oh my god, sorry guys, but I've got 11 million. Jesus God almighty. 13 million. Bamiyang. 750k. I thought it would be like a million coin. Oh my god! I just got Sergio Ramos, his Team of the Year card. Oh my god! If you could see my face right now, I've never got a team. Yes, we got Sergio Ramos. Oh my god, that's the best pack of the day. Oh, I got the trouble by you. Great, thanks a lot. I didn't get anybody in that pack, sadly. But my pack, look. Is this one of the best pack openings you've ever seen? Hello, Di Maria, that is upgraded card. Great pack, guys. Next player, my best player in this pack is Insigne. Insigne. Okay. Brazil! Yes! Roof there. I'm uploading